Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to use Canvas on the iPad because that's what you guys have. So you can see I make a folder and my teacher one has notifications already, but you want the red one that says student, so I'm going to click on that. Normally it'll go to fusd1instructure.org. You're going to type in your student ID number at fusd1.org and you're going to use the password that you use to log into all of your devices. So once you get here, you can see the classes that you're enrolled in. We are the English 10 one, which is in the top left corner. So I'm going to click on it. And this takes you to the home page. My home page isn't as beautiful here as it is on the desktop version, but you have everything. The video, the Zoom note, they just changed the Zoom security yesterday, so you guys might be having trouble today. But it has all the important information. If you need to get onto Zoom, you can click these links and it should take you straight there. And then I also have hyperlinked the useful resources where you can find information on attendance, read theory, conferences, what to do if you don't have internet, all those kinds of things are there. The boot camp unit, which is the first unit, modules where the other units are, the syllabus, and discussions. So I try to hyperlink as many things as possible. I have my email address, Paige's email address. The attendance sheet is also hyperlinked here. So there's a lot. If you go to announcements, I've actually posted announcements for future weeks, but you can see I include everything that needs to be done by this Friday for week 1. And then I do happy birthdays. You can also, I can click on week 2, you guys can't, but starting next week, you can see everything is divided by day, okay? And everything is hyperlinked as well, so you can access everything from announcements. I'm the type of person who likes to go from modules. And so you can see all of the useful resources are right here. And then you can see the bootcamp stuff is right here in order. You probably won't be able to access any of these other things until you get the Superhero Bootcamp's pretest done. Okay, so if you click on the syllabus, you can see these things and it gives you an option to submit or not submit and to go next. Okay, so it says not submitted. So if I click submission and rubric, this gives me the option of submitting. And I think mine might look slightly different because, again, I'm a teacher. For the Superhero pretest, you click on this link and you can see you don't need to write or attach anything. And you can use these bottom previous and next to go through. If you go to the calendar, it says no events today, but you can add calendars or a course calendar. So I want to add my calendar, which is for English 10. Oh, I don't want to do a new to do. That's interesting. Oh, I want to show calendars already done. So instead of clicking the plus sign, click the hyperlinked calendars. And then, I guess that English 10 is already selected. I don't know why that's not popping up today. Because your to-do work should be in here. Well, that's too bad. So in order to see what's due, you would need to go onto the desktop, unfortunately. You do have a to-do list, though. And so if you click to do, these are the assignments that are due this week. Letter to my future self is due on Monday next week. So anyhow, you can always click the to do and see exactly what you need to do. You can see notifications. So I have messages, I have grading to do, and I'm not going to click on my inbox just in case it shows you exactly who sent me an email. But you can always email through there as well. So to go back, we'll go to the dashboard and we can just click on anything that we need to do. So this is Canvas for the student iPad. Now I can't end the video.